Welcome to my YouTube channel. We're just gonna wash clothes, I guess. I keep running into the wall. Ooh, what's this? Oh, I can't pick it up yet. Okay, claim. Yes, I have played this game before. And I've been trying to get some pets. Didn't mean to sit down. Okay, we're gonna collect some clothes. There's a bunch of people. Okay, we're gonna put them in this washer. Well, I bet I'll fit. Okay. I really want a pet, but I don't know how to get a pet. Hey, this one stole my clothes. Okay. You see this down here? I don't know if you guys can see it, but down here is if the clothes are clean or dirty. Where's my thing again? Oh, it's right here. Okay. I was staring right at it, so I don't know why. Yeah. So. Really, one mitten. That ain't gonna do anything. Okay. I'm gonna collect some of these. Oh my gosh, I got piles and piles. Okay. Oh my gosh. That's still not enough? Okay. Oh, why do I keep sitting in the seat? Okay, so you need 50 gems to get a pet. But really, I don't know how. So, oh my gosh. I have a bunch of clothes. Wait, is this mine or is this mine? I think this is mine. Okay. Hi, girl. Girl, keep washing. Girl. This is my stuff. Wait, what? Okay. Clean clothes. Let's go put them in. Oh my gosh, I keep setting down. Okay. So, you open this, and then you put the clothes in, then you get coins. Well, I'm going to do a dance. Hold on. Gotta wait. I don't know what it's doing, but I don't know what that was. Oh! Started the do. Oh. Nothing. Wait, no. No. I didn't mean to collect clothes at that time. Okay. He's clean. Yep, there's a clean. Okay. I don't know what that bar is for, but don't pay any attention to that. As I said, don't pay any attention to that. Okay. If you guys want to see me on Roblox, my name is MCAT619, which is EMCAT 619. So yeah. So now if you guys play Roblox, you can play with me. Wait, what? Oh. This is not my thing. I'm confused. Wait, what? Is this not my... Wait, okay. What's this? I don't know what I'm doing right now. Oh, these are clean clothes. Whoopsies. I did not know that. Let's put these in here. I'm gonna hide in here. I hope it shuts on me. Any day now, that's gonna shut on me. Oh, it won't. Because look. Wait, it was trying to shut on me. Yes, but it didn't cover all of me, so my neck is dirty. Okay, I need more clothes. Okay, I need more dirty clothes. Now we're just gonna put them in this washer. Okay. But there's the clean clothes. Okay, whoops. Wait, what? So we're gonna put them in here. What is this? Wait, are these clean or what? No, they're not clean. Are these clean? Wait, what? Oh, okay. Hi. Okay, I don't know what that was. Okay. Wait, no, I don't need more clothes. Oopsies. Okay, these clean? Yes, okay. Keep sitting on the chairs. Okay. Let me just rest on this chair. My neck hurts. Okay. Do we have enough gems yet? No. Oh yes, if you're wondering, I only have 17 Robux, so don't ask me if I have any Robux. Comment below if you ever think I'm going to get a pet. Comment below if you ever think I'm going to get a pet. Please. Because I don't know. Is this one of my washers? Wait, oh, these are clean. Whoops. Sorry if you guys are moving bad, but my neck really hurts. Okay. Back to the game. Oh my gosh, I'm like climbing up it. I know the intro is pretty bad, but who cares? Who cares? Who cares? I don't know what that was, but I can't get the clothes out. Maybe I need more clothes. Okay. So, I'm gonna end it right here at the pet barn. Oh, did not mean to do that. So, peace. I love you all, and have a good day, and I'll see you later. Bye. Dad, I'm done.
Okay, hold on.
Goodbye. 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 Goodbye.